friends, welcome back. Hope y'all having a blessed and prosperous day. Today's video is our Tablescape Tuesdays. Friends, the host for the Tablescape Tuesdays collaboration is Miss Anna from the Grace Life DIY channel, and we have Miss Courtney from Anthea's Adventures, and I thank them for this collaboration. So friends, on today, I am going to do my tablescape outside. So this is the first time be trying to do it outside. Friends, today is a good day to do the tablescape outside. I have a good size backyard and I have a lot of shade in the back of my yard. I must admit it is kind of humidity and hot, but I'm still going to set this up. As you saw first, I did use my silver tablecloth gray color, and with the table runner is a brown table runner I got from TJ Maxx. Guys, that brown and gray looks so beautiful together. So being that this is the first time I'm doing this outside, I decided to just make it a table set for two, so that I won't have to be out here too long because it is hot. But it's such a beautiful day, and the grass and the trees are just so beautiful with the green in the back of this. So I hope you enjoy this, and maybe you may get an inspiration to set your tablescape on the outside. Friends, I would love, and I cannot wait to get a patio in this backyard because I just love the outside. In the later evenings, we can just enjoy sitting outside. Once again, friends, y'all know I love to put everything together on a budget, and everything I have here I already had, so I did not buy anything new. So I'm so grateful for that. So when you do your decoration, just try moving things around. Sometimes spray painting things or changing things. You don't have to all the time buy things. So friends, once again, this is a simple, elegant, budget-friendly table for two that is set on the outside. So you can enjoy, you and your family, your honey, a romantic dinner right on the outside. So when the fall comes, guys, it will be so much better, and we can sit outside and enjoy our meals. And this beautiful vase I got 5 years ago. I only paid $25 from my niece's store from Badcock Furniture, and I wish I would have got the smaller one with it. I was tempted to spray paint it many times, but I still like the pattern of it, so I just didn't do that, guys. And what I have in this is my lilies. I'm just showing you there the beautiful backyard and the shade that is in the backyard. And thank God for the trees, because if it wasn't for the trees, I would not be able to do this in the mid part of the day. But the trees does give us some shade. Now I got these lilies from Hobby Lobby, but I don't buy the expensive flowers until they go on their half price sale. So everything I bought here, guys, I got it on a deal. Those clear crystal candles was a thrift find, and I think I only paid $5 for them, if I'm not mistaken. I know it wasn't much. The cups, the glasses, and the plates and everything I already had. These gray and brown plate, that's what inspired me to do this, is these gray and brown plates. I got those from TJ Maxx about a couple of years ago, and I never used them. So I'm just going through some things, my stock, my stash, and try to use things that I already have. I hope that while you're watching this that you're enjoying the music. Friends, here's the breakdown. My gold spoons I got from Amazon, and trust me, they were a great price. These colored silver napkins I bought for Amazon. I had these for a while because I used it for another event. This beautiful plate was just the inspiration. I bought it from TJ Maxx. You see that brown and gray in it. And guys, that charger I bought from the at-home store. So I didn't want to layer too much of anything outside for right now, but I just wanted to make it simple and just add that gold color. Friends, you can mix the color gold and silver together with some brown. It does look beautiful together. Mix that metal, silver, and gold together. Guys, I hope you like this and enjoy this. And I thank all my faithful friends for following me, coming back, commenting, and liking. I pray today that if there's someone new today that stopped by my channel, I would love for you to join. Please leave a comment, a like. Let me know what you think about this and my outside scene. It is so beautiful. Friends, I want to thank you so much for spending your time with me on today. And I will leave you in the end screen another video on how I made my own DIY decorating with wood, and some more videos to watch. If you're new, please do subscribe. I thank you so much for liking and commenting, and always know you can share. Know that God love you, and y'all have a blessed, prosperous day. And bye-bye from Penny. See y'all on my next video.